Hope you had a great weekend, fellow Realtors. Jeffrey, Mr. Tech Raskin here. So for day Monday, we have a beautiful course. It is the mandatory 3-in-1 fire, water, and defraud course that every single agent needs from January 1st of 2025 moving forward. So we have that today via Zoom at 1 o'clock. Go ahead and get it and get those mandatory 3 hours of general CE credit out of the way. Now, next this week, we have a bunch of other great courses. Take a look down below at the schedule and take a look at all of the courses we have going on for the rest of October and into November, and of course, for the rest of the year. Courses that we've been teaching for the last 19 years. This is tech-centric, talking about real estate technology and all the things that we need to know to truly kick butt out there. Now, a couple of other things I want to remind you that we have different ways of learning. That can be via pre-recorded on-demand videos. That means you can stop us, rewind us, pause us, pick us up later, things like that. We have the new 1-hour CE courses. This is on Canva, ChatGPT, YouTube, phenomenal tech realtor subjects that will not only allow you to learn, but walk away with CE credit to boot. We have our brand new platform called Agent Ignite. This will teach you everything you need to know as a new agent or as an experienced agent from A to Z and everything in between. Lending, mortgages, assumable loans, some absolutely amazing things that you all need to know or to simply get better at with your real estate skills. Other than that, I want to remind you that the holidays are coming up, and if you need a new computer, I can help you out with that. I've been doing real estate for the last 24 years, teaching real estate technology for the last 19 of those years. I have helped thousands of my fellow realtors how to get up and running with great technology. And even if you have your own computer, I can help you out with that as well. Let me know if you have any questions. Look forward to working with you and to seeing you at one of the classes. Thank you very much. Have a great weekend. Techie out.